Friends, welcome to FreeCAD drawing tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to change dimension precision on the drawing manually apart from your default setting. So if you are not aware about the default setting of dimension precision in FreeCAD, then visit to this edit tab and go to preferences, and under in journal tab you will have the option of unit, where you can set your number of decimal places after your dimensions. So here I have set my number of decimal place 2. That's why I am getting default up to 2 decimal of my dimensions. If I talk about this dimension 3.75 and 2.25, that is fine because I want these two dimension under 2 precision, but this dimension is round off to 9 mm, and this dimension 44 is round of 44 dimension, but it is coming up 2 decimal places because of my default setting. So we will learn how we can change it to the 0 decimal places or a round of dimensions. So to do that, click on that dimension. So once you click on the dimension, its property gets opened here in the data tab. So you will have two tab, view tab and data tab. So visit on data tab. So under the data tab, under the format, you will have this format specification. If you are not able to see it, you can see it, what are this value. So this is format specification. So format specification is %.2f, which represent 2f represent 2 decimal places. So I want is round of dimension. So what I will do, instead of 2 I will type here 0. So you will see that my dimension is round off and it is 0 decimal place. Same way I will do here. I will select on this dimension, this property get open here. Under format I will set it 0. So it will be a round of dimension. So this is the small tutorial where we have learned how we can change the dimension precision manually on the drawing apart from our default settings. So this is the end of this tutorial, and if you like this tutorial, then please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video and other video on my channel, then you can buy a coffee for me. Link is given in the description. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.